Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing something I'm super excited about. I'm going to be opening and unboxing, reviewing, whatever, this package from Dicey Baby. Little disclaimer, it's like the end of January now. It only took like a week to get here, but I was out of town and I've been busy since I got back. So now I'm finally getting to opening it. The other cool thing is Gabbie and Kevin, I think his name is, they packaged everything on live. So I got to watch them package this. So that was super awesome.
Dicey Baby logo sticker and a Dicey Baby hoodie going to Samantha Robinson in South Dakota. Thank you, Kaylin. Literally, I try. Sometimes my energy is not the best though. Got that, got that.
She has a husband. Don't call her hot.
Okay, Samantha Robinson. Your order has been packed, honey. Oh shit. Yeah, we might have to find it at home. Maybe on the chair back there. That could be good. Samantha, you're packed. You're patched. You're packed.
I'm super excited about this because I always wanted to get something from Dicey Dyes and I was never able to. Okay, so we have my packing slip. And then this is so cute. Let's see if it'll focus. If I put my face behind it, maybe. Okay, it's not gonna focus. I'll try to insert a clip. But this is so cute. Gabbie wrote on it. I don't know. It has washing instructions, little note, the handwritten note. That's so cute. And then it has like her little logo on there. And then once again, I don't think this is gonna focus. Maybe, I don't know. But this is so cute. I really want to put it on my car, but like I hate having like the white outline on the car. Okay, here she is, the star of the show. So I bought a 3X because she did say to size up. I was pretty sure the hoodies that I normally wear were 2X, but they're actually already 3X. But I did also buy them in like the teenage boy section at Walmart. So I don't really know. And like she had measurements on there and stuff and I just didn't look at them. I was like, 3X, that'll be good. So if it's too small, that is my own fault. But this year, 2025 though, is gonna be the year of finally losing weight. That's a whole other story and I would like to document that journey on here. But yeah, so if it's too small, that's fine because hopefully I will be able to wear it by like this summer. We'll see how things go, you know? I say that every year and it doesn't happen. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And it is still like tie-dye stuff. If you didn't know, her previous business was tie-dye. So that's cool. She also did a live showing like when she was like pressing the design onto these. So that's really cool too. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. But yeah, so that was so cool because it's like potentially watched her assemble this and then I got to watch it be packed. Okay, so let's see. Ugh. I'll include another clip where I'm actually like wearing it. Or I'll just put it on for you guys. We'll see. It's so cute. It's pretty lightweight, but it is pretty soft. I as an autistic, I'm very sensitive about textures and I love the texture, okay? I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. It looks more blue on camera. I feel like it is slightly more gray in real life. Ugh. The neck hole is a bit snug. Okay. Okay, thank God it actually fits. Okay, one thing I will say, neck hole a bit snug, but not the end of the world. I just legitimately, it's the autism, actually. That's just what it is. So I'll get used to that though. I don't care. This is fine. But like, it's so cute. I like how it feels. Because like they are like the sublimations, transfer sheets. I don't know what they're called. Okay, I'm sorry. I should know. I'm into all the crafty stuff, so I should know. But like, it feels nice. This, like, the design doesn't feel like super, like, thick, I guess. Like, it transitions. Okay, that's bad. Shouldn't be doing that on the internet. Whatever. It, like, transitions very smoothly from the cloth to the design. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. Maybe since I'm standing up, I can show you these now. I think it's focused. That's so cute. I'm gonna like, would it be creepy to like frame this? Would it be creepy to hang on to this forever because like Gabbie wrote on it? Would that be wrong? Would that be weird? It's not that weird. People have definitely done weirder to her. Okay. She's like a pretty decently sized influencer. Like people have been worse. Okay, I think it's kind of focused now. Overall, I highly recommend it. I mean, yeah, I haven't watched it. Maybe the first time I watch it, everything will fall off of it, but I highly doubt it because like she had the Dicey Dyes business for quite a while. So if her products were terrible quality, that would have been brought up by now. So I'm not worried. I don't know if I said Dicey Baby or Dicey Dyes, but anyways, her new venture, obsessed. I love it. I'm so excited. And I'm also just so excited that I got to be like part of like her first drop for this new business, right? It's so, I don't know, it's so fun. It's so exciting. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be, fun drinking game. Take a shot every time I say I'm obsessed or I call this stuff cute. Actually, don't. I can't recommend that. Somebody could die. Oh, it's so cute. Anyways, I will be wearing this every day for the rest of my life now. Thank you. I'm obsessed with it. Highly recommend it. If you want to get Dicey Baby stuff, get it. It was shipped out the next day. It was supposed to be here within like 4 days, but then it snowed really bad in Kentucky or wherever she's from, and it snowed really bad here and all the states in between. So it ended up taking maybe a week. Like, it was not bad. It just took me forever to get this review up because I was out of town and then I didn't have time to film. So, highly recommend it. Yeah. Sizing up was the right idea though. This is a 3X. Granted, the other thing is all of her other stuff, like the sizing could be different if the actual like piece comes, like the actual like hoodie comes from a different manufacturer or whatever. So honestly, I would say case by case basis and actually pay attention to like the little size charts and stuff that she puts out. Do that because that would be helpful. The hoodie I usually wear is a 3X from Walmart, like the Airwalk ones. So, you know, I don't think they have any of this specific hoodie left, but if they did, there's a good idea for you. I don't know, but obsessed, loving it. If any issues were to arise, like within like a week, if all of this just falls off, like I'd make an update video. But again, I doubt it because if her products were bad quality, it would have already been a thing. You know what I mean? Because yeah, this is a new business, but she was doing Dicey Dyes for what, like 4 or 5 years? So I'm not worried. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to just like have her art. That's really all I have to say. I mean, subscribe if you want to see me buy something from every single drop she does. I'm not that obsessed. I'm not that crazy. If she drops something and I'm not like a huge fan of it, I won't get it. But I think I'm probably gonna really like everything she drops. So subscribe to see a lot more of me fangirling over Gabbie's work. Comment in the comments down below, I don't know, if you ever bought anything from Dicey Dyes. her previous business. And give this video a like, because that's what everybody says to do, right? Okay, anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!